Bake-USDT Overview. The cost of this signal and analysis for you is to like, comment, share, and subscribe to fuel your passion and keep this channel growing. Trading style, spot trading. Target time frame, around 1 month between targets. Entry levels, 0.2753 to 0.3463. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.5395. Target 2, 0.6061. Target 3, 0.6696. Target 4, 0.7312. Target 5, 0.8380. Stop loss, 0.1633. Key to trading success. Be patient and use technical analysis tools like trend lines, price channels, and support/resistance levels. Trade with me. Recommendation. After reaching a target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the previous target price to lock in profits and limit losses if the trend reverses. Enter after a pullback for better entry. Disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before trading. We wish you successful trading.